When I was young, I learned that sea turtles always return to the beach on which they were born to lay their own eggs. Well, recent work at Queen Mary University London has shown that this is partially true, but is more complex. Dr. Eizaguirre and his team has shown that by doing genetic analysis, they can look to populations of turtles and see how far they spread. They did their work in Cabo Verde, an archipelago off the west coast of Africa. And what they did is to work with locals, citizen groups, even school groups, to have them collect tissues from the animals as they came on shore. By doing a genetic analysis, they found how related the turtles were on any one given island and on any one beach to each other. What they expected to find was that if the turtles always returned to the exact same beach, you would expect the genes from all of those animals to be very closely related, like one big family reunion. But what they actually found was that some turtles were returning to the same beach, but others were going to other beaches on the same island. And this increases the robustness of the turtle population, because if daughter, mother, and grandmother always went back to the same beach and something happened to that beach, the entire population would be wiped out. So by going to other parts of the same island, other beaches, and indeed sometimes nearby islands, this keeps the populations more diverse and therefore more robust. Conservationally, this is important because his team identified 4 different populations. So you can't just save one and think that you're saving the others. They all have to be treated differently. This research is part of a wider program called the Turtle Project. Chris and his team have also attached GPS trackers to better understand these secretive creatures' migration patterns. Loggerhead turtles are listed as a vulnerable species and need conservation efforts to maintain their numbers. And hopefully, with this kind of knowledge moving forward, we can do more to try to help their populations bounce back. Until next time, remember that between the question and the answer are all of the really tasty little clacky bits. They're so cute.